We're with Brittany, Joanna, Annie, at Joshua's first birthday where he's going to eat his cake. His first big boy cake. There you go, buddy. Eat your cake.
Eat your cake.
He's trying to figure out what to do. He is sleepy.
Can we hit fast forward on this video?
This is going to be the longest, boringest video on YouTube ever. Scoot it up a little closer to him.
There you go. There you go. Ah, boy. That's what you do with birthday cake.
Stick it in your mouth, buddy.
Oh. Watch, honey. First bite.
Yeah, help him a little bit. Put a little in his mouth so we can see him taste it. Someone likes it.